Hey guys, welcome to HamShackTV. No fancy intro, no nothing like that. This video is all about testing this new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I just sat you down in my kitchen and check this out. This camera is following me all on its own. Osmo Pocket 3. Love this so far. Hopefully the audio sounds good. But it's got a facial tracking feature. You know, you're just sitting there on my island here in my kitchen, and the camera's tracking me. Hands free. I'm not moving it. I'm not doing anything. But, you know, we're here in the kitchen. Let's go to the fridge and see if we can find something to drink. Check that out. Going all the way around. Isn't that easy? Or let's go over here to the stove and check this out. Here's the stove. Would you like a spot of tea? I don't know. I'm just excited, guys. This is a really cool device. We come back around here to my sink, and I think we met its match. I don't think it'll go a full 360 degrees. But we got to the sink. Now we're coming back around to the kitchen, or the dining room, and check that out. Isn't that cool? That's awesome. So I can pick the camera up and we can walk and talk pretty easily. Check this out, guys. I'm so excited. This is a brand new day for HamShackTV. By the way, if you haven't ever got a chance to see my shack, it's a little bit of a mess at the moment, but that's the shack. Got some professional lighting and things like that to help us. You wonder what's on the wall behind me. This is my Worked All States Award. From a few years ago. This is really cool. My wife got this for me this past year for Father's Day, I believe it was. But it's the phases of the moon on the days of my children's birthday. Of course, two of them are twins, so they've got the same phase. But you can see Charlotte's first quarter and then Carolina's second quarter. So really cool. Got my little on-air sign there. And then one of my awards that I'm pretty proud of, the International Digital Contest. Second place in Tennessee, second place in the Delta Division. But I can rotate the camera back around to me pretty easily. Here we are in the living room. And won't show you around the living room. It's a little bit of a mess. But we come outside. Looks like the what you call it, adjust the exposure. Adjust pretty easily, but super easy. And then I can flip around just like this and let you see what I'm walking towards. Oh, what's this? What's this? Yes, folks, the house is for sale again. We found a new house. So that's pretty exciting stuff. We can walk over here and look at the mailbox. And oh, there's actually mail in here. Cool. Oh, I got something from Clayton. Check that out. I won't show his address or my address, but Clayton, K9QCA, pretty cool. Shout out to you, buddy. Good to see you. But this is just phenomenal technology, y'all. I know I keep saying it over and over again. If you want a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, now's the time to get them. There's a lot of concerns about maybe a DJI ban at some point. That's not happened yet, but it very well could. So the face tracking's not working there. I think I have to reactivate it. There it is. Now face tracking's on. So now the camera will follow me. So we can go back over towards the house. Still falling, but it's not turning my head. So I'm trying to. So I've got to keep my head in focus. There it goes. Keep my head in focus in order for it to keep tracking it. So I can all the way over here. Or, you know what? Let's hunt two dogs. Isn't that cool? It's a fantastic addition. So we might be able to work some demos and different things super easily. So I'm pretty excited about this. Give you a little quick look at Big Red. We love Big Red. But anyway, what a fantastic little device. So if you're wondering more about why I'm so excited, this is now a gimbal, lightweight, excellent picture quality. Doesn't have to have my true camera attached to it or anything like that. It's just easy. You know, this is an all-in-one device that's super lightweight and I don't have to do much with. So I'll show you this. Usually this is where the camper is parked, but not right now. It is gone to W4DFB's house to be repaired. But I do want to shout him out. See that up there? I don't know how to zoom with this just yet, but see if I can figure out how to zoom. Nope, that's not what I wanted to do. There we go. Okay, so I don't know how to zoom. Pinching doesn't work, but got a new antenna there. That's the G5RV Wyndham. I use this for the Tennessee QSO part. It works great. One end goes down there to that fence, and then it also goes out to the tree. Thing works phenomenal. I'm very, very pleased with this particular, or with that antenna. Handles all the power that I want it to handle, so I'm happy. All right, guys, thought I'd play around a little bit. This new camera, I'm super excited. You people that have been in my comment section driving me crazy about you got drunk watching my videos, well, you can stifle it now, because we're not gonna get drunk watching videos anymore. Appreciate y'all's patience, appreciate your support. If you're interested in donating towards the restoration of the camper, the GoFundMe link is in the description down below. Let's walk back in the house here. I'm really enjoying this. And wow, just how quick the exposure corrects. It's fantastic. Set the camera down. And while we're at it, let me see what I got from Clayton. Gosh, I'm so excited. Now I've got you guys in the background. This is awesome. This is absolutely awesome. I'm just going to check and make sure my application is working. My DJI app. Join. And while it's joining, we're going to take a look and see what we got from Clayton. I did work him on a POTA event not too long ago, so that's probably what this is, a QSL company. Installing firmware. Okay, I can't install the firmware because I'm recording right now. That's alright, we'll get around to it a little bit. Boys, envelopes are tied. And his envelope stuck to the card. Oops. He did send a self-addressed stamp envelope. If you do send me a QSL card, I just ask, please send me a self-addressed stamped envelope. Happy to do that. Let's take a look here. 250 pounds of Yaesu right here. So this is confirming a QSO with me. On August the 25th at 1:19 UTC on 7.179 single sideband. Fantastic. Cool stuff. Give you a closer look at this QSL card here. Guys, if you haven't already, go subscribe to 250 Pound Yaesu. Really cool channel. Good guy. He was one of the first people to recognize me when I first launched the channel last year. So if you're excited about the camera, give me a thumbs up. If you are excited about the new content and you're not going to get drunk anymore, if you're excited about that, give me a thumbs up and a comment as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you. 73s, we'll see you in the next video. AA4WX, WSCB 693.